Ditch the long lines and embrace convenience. Let's get you set up with Nationwide's online banking in just a few simple steps. First, you'll need to access the Nationwide website on your computer or mobile device. Head over to their official website and look for the online banking or enroll option. It's usually clearly visible on the homepage. Click it to start the enrollment process. Now you'll be prompted to enter your personal information. This typically includes your account number, social security number, and date of birth to verify your identity. So have those handy. Make sure to carefully fill in each field with accurate information. As you correctly enter your details, you should see a check mark or some positive indicator next to the field. It means you're on the right track. Double-check everything before proceeding. A verification step might involve answering security questions that you set up during enrollment, or receiving a one-time code via text or email. Next, you'll create your login credentials, unique username and a strong, secure password. Choose a password that's difficult to guess, using a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Will also be asked to set up security questions. Choose questions and answers that you easily remember, but that are difficult for others to guess. Once your account is set up, you can begin exploring the features. You will see your dashboard, where you can view your account balances, transaction history, and other important details. Explore the different sections such as pay bills to manage your payments, transfer funds to move money between your accounts or to other people. Need to pay your bills? The Pay Bills features offers a simple way to add payees and schedule payments. Just enter the details, like the payee's name, your account number, and the amount. You can also set up one-time or recurring payments, making managing your finances a breeze. Need to transfer funds between your accounts or to another person? With the Transfer Funds feature, you can conveniently and quickly move funds between accounts or even send money to other individuals. Select from account and to account, enter the amount, and submit. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your Nationwide online banking. Remember to stay safe by protecting your login credentials and being aware of phishing attempts. Start managing your finances digitally today.